I want you to go ahead and do me a favor. Go ahead and go on your YouTube bar, click on the red subscribe button, and then ring the bell to get notified of all the new videos that are coming out. You can be on top of everything. Alright, let's jump back into it, shall we?
Alright, I'm Grumpy, and welcome to another episode of Grumpy Outlaw Kitchen, where today we're going to teach you about smokers and smoker maintenance. As you can see, I'm outside with a little bit of nature. Get outside, get a little warm, and walk you through everything. Without further ado, alright, get Grumpy. What we got here is our basic smoker. Well, not basic, but it's our smoker. It will do. I named it Charmander, and I love it. So what Charmander here does is he smokes my meat at about 275, anywhere between that and about 200 even. And what that is a cold smoke. And the thing about Charmander here is that he's an electric smoker with a dual burner. So what that means is, inside the smoker there are two heating elements, one for broiling and one for actual hard smoking. And what you'll see here in a moment, we're going to open her up and show you what it looks like on the inside. That way you get a better understanding and better idea of how Charmander works. Alright? Alright guys, this is my buddy Charmander. First thing you want to keep an eye on is your top heating element. This is for broiling and top heating. Next thing you know, we got our rack here. This you want to keep these bad boys clean. Secondary, we have our thermometer. That's going to keep your temperature on your meat, and you want to keep that clean. That's going in the meat. Next thing you know, you have your water pan. You're going to keep your wood chips in there, so definitely need to be clean. Lastly, you have your wood box and your bottom heating element. This is where you get your smoke flavor from and all the smoking from. Last thing about bottom is your drip pan. So this is Charmander in all his beauty and glory. Alright, last thing we want to talk about is our wood loader. So this is where your wood's going to go and keep the bad boy nice and hot for when you're smoking your products, okay? And all you got to do and twist. Alright, if you lasted this long watching my video, why don't you do yourself a favor and click the subscribe button, followed by liking, and then leave me a comment. Let me know how you feel. I'll see you next time. I'm Grumpy. I'll holla.